Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question: under root of 27 minus under root 5 by under root 15 minus 3. So we need to find the value of this. What is under root of 27? We know 27 is 3 times 3 times 3 and can be written as 3 under root 3. Right? Okay, so I will write it as 3 under root 3 minus under root 5 by under root of 15 is under root 3 times under root 5, right? Okay, this is under root 3 times under root 5 minus 3. Can you write 3 as under root 3 times under root 3? Yes, because we have under root 3 here, so I broke this, or I am writing this as under root 3 times under root 3. Why did I do that? Because now I can take common in denominator. Numerator will remain as it is, 3 under root 3 minus under root 5, and denominator is, I will take under root 3 common, it will become under root 5 minus under root 3, right? Okay, now whenever we see that we have square root in the denominator, what will we do? We always rationalize. What is the process of rationalization? In rationalization, to omit this under root in the denominator, we multiply it with under root 5 plus under root 3 by under root 5 plus under root 3. Okay, and why do we do this? Because of this identity, that a plus b times a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, now if you see numerator, in numerator we will multiply these surds. How? 3 I will write here first, 3 root 3 minus root 5 multiply under root 5 plus under root 3 by under root 3. This is a minus b, a plus b. It will become a square minus b square. Okay, so in numerator what we will get? We will get 3 under root 15 when we multiply first term with first term. When we multiply first term with second term, it will become plus 9. Second term with first term, it will become minus 5. Under root 5 times under root 5 is 5, and this will become minus under root 15, right? Okay, by 2 under root 3, right? Okay, so we have 2 under root 15. When we solve this and this, we will get 2 under root 15 plus 4 by 2 under root 3, right? Okay, now we can take 2 common in the numerator. It will be under root 15 plus 2 by 2 under root 3. So this 2 will cancel out and we are left with under root 15 plus 2 by under root 3. Now we again have denominator with square root, or square root in the denominator. What will we do? We will rationalize again, because we don't like denominators with the square roots. Okay, so this will become under root 15 times under root 3 plus 2 times under root 3 by 3. Okay, so this is actually under root 3 times under root 5. I will write first like this, plus 2 under root 3 by 3. Okay, so this will become 3 under root 5 plus 2 under root 3 by 3. And this is our final answer when we don't have any square root in the denominator. So I hope you understood this. For more such videos, visit my channel. Thank you.